Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the latest flagship phone that promises a slew of upgrades over its predecessor. Packed with enhancements in hardware, software, design, and features, the Z Fold 6 is poised for success. In this engaging review, we'll delve into the exciting specifications, design changes, anticipated launch date, and pricing details. In our hands-on experience, we explore the trailer video and provide an unboxing review of the Z Fold 6. This folding smartphone has been the subject of rumors. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. As for the anticipated release, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to hit the market in August 2024. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be an exciting and promising upgrade,